Hi there, and welcome to this video on how to use Fusion 360 to prepare your model for fused filament fabrication 3D printing. This video will cover selecting an FFF printer, selecting and editing print settings, part position, support generation, and finally slicing and creating the print file. Here are two headphone stands to be 3D printed. To begin, first navigate to the Additive tab in the Manufacture workspace and click to create a new setup. The Setup dialog allows users to specify the manufacturing method by selecting a machine. In this case, navigate to the Fusion 360 library and filter for Additive and FFF. Select a printer, click OK, and now select a print setting. In this case, the ABS 2.85mm print setting. The bodies are both automatically selected, so all that is needed now is to click OK to finish creating the setup. Great, the parts have been arranged in the center of the print bed. The next step, since both the headphone stands need their overhanging faces supported, is to generate a support structure. Navigate to the Supports group in the toolbar. Here there are two support options: solid volume and solid bar support. Solid volume support is best for supporting large overhanging areas, whereas solid bar support is ideal for bodies with small specific overhanging areas. Select solid volume support, and this opens the volume support dialog. Here, select the individual faces that require support. Alternatively, the whole model can be selected and supports will be generated for the faces whose areas fall below the angle defined by the overhang angle. Clicking OK will create a preview of that support structure. Now that the support structures have been generated, the next step is to edit the print settings and optimize them for the print. Right-click on the print setting in the setup and select Edit. This opens the print settings editor. The print settings have been divided up between General and Body Preset. General print settings contain settings that apply to all bodies on the print bed, whereas Body Preset print settings contain settings that can be applied per body, meaning different bodies can have different body presets. The default body presets for each print setting are Normal and Strong. For each of these, we can duplicate, make default, or delete. The duplicate will create a new body preset based on the selection, and make default will mean any bodies on the print bed will be assigned to this body preset by default. Duplicate the strong body preset and rename it to Extra Strong. Enter the Shell tab and change the number of perimeters from 5 to 6. Now, in order to use this body preset for this print, it will need to be assigned to one of the bodies. To do this, OK the dialog and right-click on the print setting again, but this time select Assign Body Preset. This opens a new dialog, and from here, select the Extra Strong body preset in the dialog and then select one of the bodies. Notice how in the dialog there's now both a body assigned to Normal and the Extra Strong body presets. Click OK to confirm. Fantastic. Now generate the toolpath and simulate to check how the body and support toolpaths look. Comparing the two bodies, the difference in toolpaths from the different body presets is clear to see. If everything looks good, click Post Process to create the print file. Simply upload that to your printer and enjoy. Thanks very much for watching this video. If there are any questions, please reach out on the Fusion 360 forums at forums.autodesk.com.